In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace. If you want to accept payments through your Squarespace website, connecting Stripe is one of the most important setup steps. The process is straightforward, and once it's connected, you'll be able to manage online payments more smoothly through your site. I'll walk you through exactly where to go inside Squarespace so you can get this done quickly and confidently. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the main site dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main configuration options for your website, including store and payment settings. After the settings panel opens, find and click on Selling. This section is where Squarespace groups together all the tools related to products, checkout, and payments. If you're setting up e-commerce features, this is the area you'll come back to often, so it's helpful to get familiar with it. Inside the Selling section, click on Payments. This is the page where you can choose and manage the payment processors connected to your site. Squarespace supports different payment options depending on your location, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on Stripe. On the Payments page, click Stripe. This begins the connection process between your Squarespace site and your Stripe account. At this point, Squarespace will prompt you to continue with the Stripe setup. Then enter your Stripe information in the sign-in or connection window that appears. Make sure you're using the correct Stripe account for the business or website you want to connect. If you manage multiple accounts, it's worth taking a moment here to double check before continuing, since using the wrong account can create confusion later when payments start coming in. As you complete this part, follow the on-screen prompts from Stripe and Squarespace to finish the connection. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm access or review account details before everything is linked. Once the connection is complete, your Squarespace site should be ready to use Stripe for payments. It's a good idea to return to the payment section afterward just to confirm that Stripe now shows as connected. That quick check can give you peace of mind before you begin taking customer orders. And that's it. That's how to connect Stripe to Squarespace.